Today, we're sharing a simple natural blend made from everyday ingredients that many people include in a healthy routine to support men's energy, stamina, and overall vitality. Let's start with banana. Bananas provide natural carbohydrates, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients help support muscle function, steady energy levels, and physical endurance. Bananas help fuel the body and reduce tiredness during long or demanding days. Next is onion. Onions contain natural compounds that help support healthy circulation and overall body balance. Good circulation plays an important role in delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, which helps maintain energy, focus, and physical readiness. Now let's talk about garlic. Garlic has been traditionally used to support circulation and heart health. It helps the body stay active and balanced, especially when combined with a nutritious diet and regular movement. Garlic supports overall vitality and daily performance. To prepare this blend, add the banana, onion, and garlic into a blender. Blend until smooth and well combined. Once blended, pour the mixture into a glass and mix in honey. When prepared and blended properly, they create a unique drink that supports daily strength and long-lasting energy. Honey is a natural source of energy that provides carbohydrates and antioxidants. When added to the blend, it helps support steady energy and endurance while improving taste and balance. When enjoyed as part of a healthy lifestyle, including balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, good sleep, and stress management, this natural blend can help support men's energy, confidence, and overall well-being. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and lifestyle content. Take care of your health, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.